Hi everyone, I'm Claire from Back My Stitch Up Design, and I'm also the CEO of a new online marketplace called Design Emporium. So today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a new listing to Design Emporium in order to maximise the search engine optimization, so that basically if somebody searches for something that relates to one of your designs, then it will actually come up in the search results. So as an example, today we're going to be looking at this editable birthday invitation. So I've already made this just for ease. So if you wanted to make a new product, you go to product and then new product. So let's start with the title. So basically, if you think as a customer, what would a customer search for to find my design? And you think of as many options as possible. So for this particular design, we've got Australian animal digital birthday invitation, editable birthday party invitation for Canva, Aussie animal digital party invitation, and print at home stationery. So that's quite a few things, and we're going to test it afterwards to see if it comes up in the search results. So product type, you can either use simple or I'm using external or affiliate product for this particular design, but generally you should use simple if you are attaching any type of document or JPEG. But the reason why I've done an external affiliate product is because I'm able to then put in the product URL, which is what you need if you are selling Canva templates. So I've got the price in there. Category, this one comes under stationery. Some products might come under multiple things, like you could put it under design templates and branding as well. So you can add a new category, and we'll put that under stationery again. So then for the tags, you can add in any tag that you want, just make it as relevant as possible. So we've got Aussie, Australian, birthday, zoom in a little bit, Canva, children's, editable, invitation, invite, kangaroos, kids, koala, party, printable, stationery, wombat. So basically anything, any keywords that are in the title or description or that are relevant to your product need to be in the tags as well. And then the short description, again, it's repeating the main elements, it's repeating the main keywords of the actual product. So Australian animal digital birthday invitation. This is an editable invitation for use on Canva only. And then it explains how you use it a little bit. And then in your main description, gives you details on what to do, how to download it, and then a bit of the legal stuff about terms and conditions. So I don't actually put anything in inventory because this is really more for physical products. Downloadable options. So I've also uploaded a file there. So I've chosen file, and then you can add more files if you need to. Download limit, it would usually appear as -1 on a new listing form, but if you delete that, it comes up with unlimited, and the same for download expiry. So basically you don't want to be limiting, well, I don't want to be limiting the number of times somebody can download an item, because I don't then want a customer coming back asking for me to email an item or a file. So make sure your product status is online and it's visible. And then I leave just a polite thank you message. One of the other things to note for SEO purposes is if I click on upload an image, So when you are uploading images, if you click on an image, it would usually come up with the name of the JPEG or image that you're uploading, that would be how it is saved on your computer. But then you should be also completing these boxes. So alt text, title, caption and description. You can just copy and paste multiple times like I have done there, but again, for SEO purposes, you should be getting your keywords in there. So digital birthday invitation, Canva, and then you would set featured image. And I think that's about it. If you found this useful, then please leave a like or a comment. Thank you.